Are you ready? Yes, yes. Okay, let's start our speaking test. What's your name? My name is Nhi. Nhi, how do you spell your name? It's N-H-I. Okay, how old are you? I'm 10 years old. 10 years old? Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. So, Nhi, what color do you like? I like blue. Blue, do you like green? No, I don't. Okay, so what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. English. Do you like math? Yes, I do. Why do you like math? Because it's so interesting. Very good. Okay. Part 2. You find for me the differences of two picture 1 and picture 2. Okay, are you ready? Yes, let's start. In the picture 1, I can see two monkeys is on the tree, but in the picture 2, I can see two monkeys is under the tree. In the picture 1, I can see duck is white, but in the picture 2, I can see the duck is brown. In the picture 1, I can see the dog is, I can see the fox is on her hop. In the picture 1, I can see two parrots is fly in the sky, but in the picture 2, I can see two butterflies fly in the sky. In the picture 1, I can see the leaf is on his head, but in the picture 2, I can't see the leaf on his head. Good, okay. The next is part 3. Part 3 about information change. I have two information about daily school and daily school. Okay, the first, I will ask you about daily school and then you answer. Okay, are you ready? Yes, yes. What is the daily school name? It's Green Hill School. Where is daily school? Daily school is behind the cinema. Okay, how many children are there in daily school? There are 450 children in David School. Okay. What time does David School start? It's at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. What sport does David play? He plays basketball. Good. Okay. The next we change the information. Nhi, you ask me about Betty's school and I will answer. What's the name of Betty's school? This is Park School. Where is Betty's school? Betty's school is near the post office. How many children are there in Betty's school? Betty's school has 500 children. What time does Betty's school start? Betty's school starts at 8:30. What sport does Betty play? Betty plays tennis. Okay. The next is part 4. Part 4 picture story. I have 5 pictures. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you tell me about the story. Are you ready? Yes, yes. Let's start. Last week, David and his sister are in the garden. David ate apple and his sister read book. Suddenly, one elephant came. One elephant came. David surprised, and he gave elephant banana. And he and his sister waved goodbye to the elephant and laughed. Yesterday, he and his sister go to the circus and